I would definitely recommend it. Hi everyone, I am Manasvi. I just want to take a moment to share my experience with STAD Solution. I recently completed software testing. The way the classes were taught was very simple and easy to understand. Even if you are new to the topic, the trainer will explain everything step by step. I especially liked the practical coursework. We didn't just learn the theory, we also worked on real-time projects and got hands-on experience with tools like Selenium, Jira, and StressNG. The trainers were really supportive. Anytime we have doubts, they were quick to help and make sure we understood the concept properly. The institute also helped to build resume and interview preparation, which gives me lots of confidence to apply for a job. The overall, I am very happy with the training I received. If you are thinking to join STAD Solution for software testing or other course, I would definitely recommend it. Thank you to the entire team for support.